Wat jij wil, Jan. Kan zo 3 neergooien.
Hij staat op film. Ik zal zo wel even op zelf filmen. Maar ik kan van een filmpje kan ik ook nog.
Ja?
Hello everyone. Today we walk from refuge Terrouge to refuge des Marches, which is 4.5 hours, and there's one col we have to pass, which we just did. It's this one in the back, if you can see it. Yeah, I don't know the name of the Col des Marches. 2,700 meters high. Just passed it and we went to a small detour to this point, which is really beautiful. You'll see the Écrins in the background, and yeah, it's really nice. And now it's another 1.5 hours to go down to the refuge. We have to descend another 500 meters. The ascent was only 700 meters today, felt like a chill day. We crossed a big group of sheep with the Patou, which was like the main challenge obstacle of the day. And yeah, it's almost 2 o'clock. I think we're just gonna chill the whole afternoon in the refuge. I'm looking forward to it. I'm a bit tired, but it's a lot of fun to be walking not alone anymore. And I'm looking forward to just hanging out and relaxing a little bit. So Maarten and I are fresh from Dutchy land, so they don't have any elevation in their legs. And that helps because we're a bit slower now. But that's good for me. It's a good tone down of the last week. And tomorrow we have another small day, and then Thursday we have a big day, or we maybe have a big day, depends on what we'll do. But that can be a really nice route. I want to finish the last etape of the HEXATREK that day, maybe meet some of my HEXATREKers I met before earlier, so we'll see. But for now we're going down, having some nice food, playing some games probably, and yeah, see you guys later. We just went down this path here. It's just, yeah, it's a bit sketchy, but the view here was beautiful, and we got some nice shots, so I'm happy. We have the Écrins, a lot of nice white peaks as well, so yeah, it's good. It's also a bit weird because it feels like everything is coming to an end, and it's good, but I'm also a bit sad because I felt really happy the last couple of weeks. Yeah, yesterday Maarten said to me, it looks like you still have so much energy left after doing this for a couple of weeks, which is true, which was a bit emotional for me because I realized that maybe the past half a year, or maybe a bit more than that even, I did not really have that much energy in my normal life. And yeah, now I have. On one hand I feel really tired, on one hand I feel full of energy and things I want to do, and strange feeling. It feels definitely like life is moving in a good direction, at least when I'm doing this. So that's good. I like it. And didn't sleep super well last night as well, by the way, because we ate a lot. I ate so much, maybe a bit too much, and yeah, I was lying in the tent and I couldn't really sleep because I still had to like process all the food and stuff. But it's okay. The start of the day was a bit tough, but now I'm feeling good, feeling better, and it's only downhill, only downhill from here. So it can only go uphill from here, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so it will be a bit easier. I'll just relax in the afternoon. Maybe I'll have a look at the weather and check if I'll sleep inside tonight, maybe instead of sleeping in my tent. I want to do a last night in my tent, but I'll have a look when that's the best moment to do that. Alright, I'm gonna focus on this path because it's a bit sketchy. See you guys later. in the afternoon, but look at that. Sorry for the bucket hat though, it might look a bit silly. I don't care. I think I'm gonna sleep really well tonight here. The only thing is it's not super flat, so that's the only downside, but well, can't really complain on this. Feel like this, right? Super nice. Put these things on. Going for a nice dinner there. So hi guys, I'm in my tent now. We just had well, to be honest, decent dinner at the refuge des Marches. Was okay, but it was nothing special to be honest. The dessert was really nice though. That was the only good part about the dinner. It was like a chestnut cake, yeah, it was really good. Tomorrow, so first today, we walked from the refuge des Terres Rouges to the refuge des Marches, which was a nice 4.5 hour walk. We did it really slow. We passed the Col des Marches, I think it's called. It was really nice, the view was great. Feeling good, it's nice to walk with some friends. And tomorrow we're planning to go to the Montabo refuge, which is only 3 hours. So if the weather is good, we also want to climb the Montabo, which is 3,100 something meters. So that would be nice. But apparently in the afternoon or in the evening the weather will get worse. So yeah, we're thinking about what to do. So now the first plan is to just go to the Montabo refuge tomorrow and probably arrive there end of the morning, and then from there we'll see further, like what the weather allows us to do. And then for the day after we don't really have a plan yet. There might be a plan where we go to a unguarded hut, which would be a first. I have the tent of course, so I can just sleep in the tent, which is nice. But yeah, well, after that we'll have to see. We're not really sure yet, but it's gonna be a nice day. I think tomorrow in the morning the weather is supposed to be good, so that's gonna help us. Also, it's like you have to climb 600 or 700 meters. In total walking distance maybe like 6.5 kilometers. So it's a small day, which I think is nice. We've been doing small days, or compared to what I've been doing before, we've been doing small days, but that gives a lot of time to take nice pictures and talk with each other, have a nice break. So it's a good slowing down for me, and I think I also kind of needed that, to be honest. So yeah, I'm super happy I'm not alone anymore. You feel the dynamic changes though when you're in a group now. I don't really talk to many strangers anymore. Just chatting with each other, because I haven't spoken to these friends in a while as well, and it's nice to do this adventure together. So yeah, we'll see. I'm feeling better than yesterday. I hope tonight I'll sleep also better. I hope there won't be any rain, but I have like one of the most beautiful bivouac spots I've had so far, so I think it's gonna be awesome to wake up during the night at least once to pee, to look at the stars. I'm really looking forward to that. So I hope I drank enough water. Such as I have to pee at least once when it's dark. I think it's gonna be beautiful. Alright, see you guys tomorrow.